Welcome to Creamer Cards. I'm Bertie the Beatboxing Parrot. Apparently, I've flown down from the tree community to give you a sample of my mastery of mimicry. Without further ado, let me introduce to you a beat treat that's hard to beat. I'm afraid I've run out of time. Just before I totally fall to bits and crack up, thanks awfully for watching my video clip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found it mildly entertaining and informative, please click on the appropriate red stars below. If you'd like to see more lovely clips like this, please click on that bright orange subscribe icon up in the sky. Thank you. Bye.